In this presentation, we will discuss the second grade standard ELA 2 LSV 1. Together, we will unpack the standard, talk about ways to teach a standard, as well as how to assess the standard. Here you can see the English Language Arts standard. Like most of the Georgia performance standards, this one seems to contain a lot of information. The best thing to do with all standards is to pick them apart and figure out what the standard is really asking you as a teacher to do. Right off the bat, we know this standard will be addressing oral and visual forms of communication. But, like most standards, this standard gives teachers more specific ideas to back up the main topic. Teachers should see their students understanding material that they have been given, writing in the 3 different ways, using more complex sentence structures, using a variety of ways to gain information, along with an increase in vocabulary. Now let's talk about the fun stuff, teaching. When students are learning the 3 types of writing, a great activity is 3 paragraphs, 1 topic. Here students pick a single topic but write about it differently. For example, a student could choose the topic of trains and write an informative paragraph on how trains operate, a persuasive paragraph on why trains are useful, and an entertaining paragraph about a trip on a train. When trying to expose your students to different ways of gaining information, the internet is a wonderful resource, and BrainPop is a great place to get started. The short videos are engaging for students and are jam-packed with a ton of information. Lastly, we will discuss how to assess this standard. This standard will mostly be assessed through the student's writing. A simple 1-page essay can provide a lot of information for teachers. It can show whether or not the students understand the material, as well as whether or not the students are developing more complex sentence structures and greater vocabulary. Thank you for watching my video, and happy teaching!